Hello. Today I got a CVR 2017 Honda. On the maintenance minder on this car, you need to change number 6, the all-wheel drive oil. That is also the differential oil. Differential oil is the dual pump fluid too, and this is the stuff you'll need. I'm just using this because it's easier to grab, but you need a pump, you need something to catch it with, something to clean it. Good to go. Okay, on the passenger side, you're going to need to remove this bolt. This is the bolt for the draining. And then if we move over to the driver's side, flip you back over. On the driver's side, that is your fill plug. And you can see this is the CV joint right here. CV joint comes over on the driver's side. And this is the bolt that you need to remove. All you need is a 3/8 inch wrench, and that will fit right into the hole. Just like, let me show you on the other side. And this will fit on both sides right here. It's a 3/8 inch socket, and you just put it right into the square just like that, and you just turn it and it will come unloose, and that's your drain. And once you remove it, you're going to get this one. This is the magnet. The magnet in, all the stuff that's in it, wipe it off. That's the magnet in. And then there's your washer right here. This is your crush washer. You need to remove that, and you're going to replace it with a new crush washer. And that's there. And then you have the other one, looks like this, and you're going to replace that crush washer with that. This one is a 20 millimeter, and this one's an 18 millimeter. Or no, this one's a 20 millimeter, and this one is an 18 millimeter. Make sure you check up in the engine bay, or where you took that off, because sometimes these stick. You see the little rust there, and they stick to the body. Then you take the bolt and you tighten the bolt back up in there. I turned it the wrong way, yes. Then you turn the bolt and put it in there with the new crush washer. And then they tighten it, and then you put that back in there like that. Make sure you put it over on the other side. Get it in there, and then you just pull it down a little bit, and then we'll torque it to spec later on. Those will go down the bottom, and then I'll take this and I'll chuck that in the hole. Good. All right. So that's just at the top right now. I'm going to take the other one. I know you can't see, but basically you're just going to put that socket back on there, Tighten it up. And then you gotta tighten it. We'll come back and torque it later. And then you're gonna wipe off all the fluid off the two sides, so you can definitely tell. And you bring it down, you drive it for a while, and when you get back up, you check to see if it's any more leaks on it. If not, then you're good to go and you're done. After you get done, you get in the car, start up the car, and then you wait for the menu to come up. And okay, hit OK on that. Then you hit home. You want to go back to home, settings. You go to vehicle. You want to go down to the maintenance info. And this one, the other one was already hit reset. And then all due items. Click it. And you reset everything. It says just oil, but the other one was already reset before we even started. But that's how you reset all those monitors that come up. Alrighty, so it's basically you reset the monitors, and then you'll open up those two screws in the back. You'll fill it up. The other one is just for there, so you can fill it up, and if it overfills, then that allows the excess to come out. And it will take 1.3 quarts to fill that up. This is a 2017 CRV, and this is the EX model. This one has the all-wheel drive, and it has the 1.5 liter with the turbo on it, and the rear end takes 1.3. I'm pretty sure all of them take 1.3, but anyway, make sure your own specs, make sure everything, make sure you check your torque value, have them drive the vehicle for a little while down the road and back, and then you climb back under and check it again, make sure there's no drips or anything, which there shouldn't be, and they're good to go, and you send it.